Teach Me Surgery is an educational Android application designed to provide users with valuable insights into surgical procedures and techniques. Targeted primarily at medical students, residents, and healthcare professionals, this app seeks to enhance understanding of various surgical practices through interactive content and resources. Key features of Teach Me Surgery typically include detailed descriptions of surgical procedures, step-by-step illustrations, and video tutorials that demonstrate techniques in a clear and engaging manner. The app often covers a wide range of specialties, offering comprehensive information that aids in both theoretical learning and practical application. Additionally, the application may provide quizzes and assessments to test users' knowledge and reinforce learning. By combining visual aids with in-depth explanations, Teach Me Surgery aims to foster a deeper understanding of surgical concepts and promote confidence in clinical skills. Overall, it serves as a valuable resource for anyone looking to expand their knowledge of surgery and improve their practical abilities in a clinical setting.